episode of the Coasters Are Us news show. Today's episode we are going to be reviewing as Tornado Springs, a new 1950s land area that is set to open at Paultons Park on the 12th of April, 2021. It is Season 1 Episode 16. And this is the Coasters Are Us news show. Back on the 8th of April, 2021, Paultons Park announced that they will be opening Tornado Springs, a new 1950s land area for families and kiddos to enjoy that is set to open on the 12th of April, 2021, which is tomorrow. However, they decided to open Farmyard Flyer, a second roller coaster that set opened along with Phase 2 in 2022, which is next year. This new land area will home to 8 rides. Storm Chaser, a Mack ride spinning roller coaster, Cyclonator, a Zamperla Discovery, Al's Auto Acamde, a Formula K driving school, Windmill Towers, a Zierer double spinning drop tower, Trekking Tractors, a Metal Ball M-on Power Children's Ride, and Buffalo Falls, a Metal Ball M-on Dinghy water slides. Tornado Springs is Paultons Park's new kids area for 2021, and Phase 2 will open along with a new roller coaster named Farmyard Flyer next year. Question of the day: what do you think of Tornado Springs and what's your favorite ride on Tornado Springs at Paultons Park? Please let me know in the comments. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.